What's up guys, Raj here from Tech India, and in today's video we'll be taking the 992 GT3RS out for a spin. So first thing I have to be saying is the carding is a very nice one. I like the way it's styled, it's very nice. I like wing is too much big, it's like too much big chicken wing. It is the big wing. I would assume this one adds a little bit of downforce. I don't know, I could be wrong, but I am assuming that the wing is adding some downforce. But if you do not know what downforce is for the viewers, downforce is literally how down you are to take a gun and shoot up a school. I would be assuming most of the white kids would have lots of downforce, but the only thing the black kids would be down to do is probably steal from a supermarket or sag their pants below the waist. I have never understood the whole concept of why black people like to sag their pants. Like, dude, belts exist. You have to like have a belt to put up your pant. And honestly, guys, I think belts are one of the most like beautiful accessories made in the world. Like, the belt is the thing you putting on your waist to keep your pants up to stop you from getting molested. But you can also take the belt off and also hit the molester so you do not get molested. Like, it is doing both of the things at the same time. It is like so much unique. I thinking the only thing worse than getting molested is probably stepping on a Lego. But you know what is worse than stepping on a Lego? Stepping on a landmine in Iraq. I think that one is worse thing than stepping on Lego. I have watched one movie where in the movie soldier in Iraq was stepping on landmine, but the landmine did not go off, yard. So think of it like this way: soldier in Iraq fighting, but now he is stepping on the landmine, but the mine did not go Allahu Akbar explode. It was like the same landmine, but he took his foot off the landmine and it did not explode. So that is showing you that not all landmines are bad and not all cases of molestation is bad. But yeah guys, that one is just joke. If you guys do not knowing, I am a comedian. Everything I am saying is meant to be comedy, yeah. But at the same time, I am also doing tech support, and one thing you have to guys be knowing is tech supporting is not paying the bills. Okay, so if you guys are watching the videoing, you guys are laughing, you guys are having like wow fun time, sexy time, make sure to subscribe to your boy Borat's YouTube account, so that way I could pay more bills and help my family back home in India. Okay, now continuing on with the videoing, the thing I have to noticing is the Porsche is just like a car. Okay, before I thinking Porsche was the nicest car in the world, but now I am thinking to myself when driving it, it's just a car. Okay, at the end of the day, they are all pieces of metal. Okay, some are looking nicer, some are looking more shit, but they are all just that. Like, this Porsche is no different thing from that Volkswagen. And honestly, I thinking that one is better for consumers, because look at it like this: BMW, also known as the world's most unreliable manufacturer, beforeing, what they did was they noticed, hey, why are people not buying our cars? Because they are unreliable. So what they doing? They taking that engine B58 same one I have in my fake M4. They take it, they send it over to Toyota, and Toyota, the Japs, knowing what they are knowing, they are saying to BMW, fix this. And after they doing all the fixing, the carding getting better. So what I am proposing to these stupid car manufacturers that do not care about reliability is, please make the cars more reliable. Okay, just imagine, okay, BMW is working with Toyota to make more reliable M Sporting cars, more reliable B58. What if Honda started working with Mercedes, or one of the more reliable brands started to work with the unreliable, typically consuming unreliable cars? Then it will lead to more sale revenue, because these guys watching my video too, I know you engineers watch my video, and you guys are taking notes. You guys better be taking notes because you greedy guys liking money just as much as me. So you guys better be taking notes on how to make the cars better, yard, because we are seeing a decline in the amount of people who are liking performance cars. So we have to keep it alive. We have to keep the car spirit and the combustion engine always going, and that is very nice. But yeah guys, this is the ending of this video. If you guys like it, make sure to like, comment and subscribing, and also watch out my other video, tech support worker taking a McLaren out for a spin. And yeah, if you, and also if you guys have any problems with your computer, make sure to call me and my team and we will fix it right away, and we will